To create a design, in here you need to type thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, in here on the design template parts, you will see the templates that the Canva prepared, and you can simply just change the text and change the photo. Okay, to remove the background, you can use Adobe Express, and in here it is free and it is unlimited. As you can see, this high quality photo that shows you you can remove the background, and I put this website link on the description. Don't worry about it. In here I press upload the photo and it will be open Adobe Express. I will tell you the tutorial of this Adobe Express too. Don't worry about that. In here, let me drag and drop my picture. Okay, my background is removed and I can simply use that. But if I want to customize it, as you can see, I set a light for myself and the background quality is low and it reflects the light into my hair, into my skin. If I press on the customize, I need to sign up. I try to use sign in or sign up using Google account, so I press on that. It's way easier. You can log in the Facebook, Apple ID and this kind of thing, but I use the Google. I simply choose my account and right now I logged in. You need to accept the terms of using. And right now Adobe Express is going to be yours. Right now we are on the Adobe Express. It says add to your design. It shows us this part and edit your design with this part, and I press on OK. I got it. Okay, on this part I select my picture, and here you'll see the effects. Filters are not good. As you can see, it's going to do this kind of thing into my picture. I don't want them. I go to the enhancement. As you can see, there's a difference between before and after that. So in here I need to do few things. And if you do a mistake, you can press on reset enhancement and it is reset. Okay, let me redo the things and resume the video. Okay, I redo the settings. In here, don't worry about the green background that you see in here. You can press on download. In here you'll see PNG transparent background. If you press on start download, it's going to be downloaded and you don't have any background, and I type my pic and it's going to be saved on the desktop. Let's see the result. Okay, this is my final result, and if you see these green types didn't remove, actually it depends on your quality of your lights, your background and your camera. Here I'm going to upload my picture. Okay, our photo is uploaded and we need a background, so I just search light blue background. If you want, you can press on tools, change the size to the large, and you'll see these ones with the high quality, and I'm going to use this one. It is good. Okay, that is good. And if I want, I can use this one too. It depends on your idea, it depends on your photo. I like this one, is better, so I download it and I need to upload it on the Canva, and I simply drag and drop and set it on the background. This is my background right now. If I want to edit it, I can simply click in here. You can change the transparency, you can change the position, you can animate that, you can edit the photo. Edit the photo. If you press on edit the photo, these are crown ones, these are for pro users. In here you will see filters and effects. If I press see all, you can customize that. For example, it's going to actually change the color, change the parts of the photo. So I choose fresco. I go back, go to the adjust. In here you can change the brightness, contrast, tint, texture and lots of other things. For example, on the color, you can change the vibrance, change the saturation. You need to play with these buttons to find a good result for yourself. It depends on your picture. So I just change it for myself and find out the good quality of it. Okay, hold on. If you do a mistake, you can press reset adjustment and it will be reset. It's fine. I like this result. And for example, if I go to the elements, and here we will see lots of things. For example, these are for the frames of the picture. For example, if you want, you can use this frame and upload your photo on that. Okay, you can use the frames, but I don't really like it, and a note of that is I removed the background, so frame is not going to be useful for me. I drag and drop the picture. Okay, I need to make that bigger. With using this part, you can zoom in and zoom out. I zoom out a bit. I put myself in here. It is good. These are recently used fonts I use. I press on the globe. I think it is good, and I type just free. Okay. Aha. Put it in here. Change the color. Okay, if I set this one as green, they might think that this is the glow effect that is on my hair. So I use this one. This is free, a large free. In here, it is bold by default. If you press on FX, you will see the FX. It is neon. You can set it as glitch, but neon is good. I like the neon. You can set it as outline, as leaf, but I don't like that. Neon is good. And if you want to set a custom color for yourself, click on this plus. And if you want to see how it is going to be shown onto the mobile devices, you can zoom out, for example, like this. If I see that, I will just see the free one with my face. So it is good. I use this one. So I type thumbnail. Free thumbnail. And if I want, I can change the color of this free thumbnail. If you want to do other kind of things, you can simply put a circle, and for example, I change this circle color into this color. These are the gradients colors that Canva prepare. I make it a bit large. This is too large, I don't want that. For example, this is good, and on here I need to change the layers. Right click, go to the layers and set send to back. It is right now on the back. It is to back. We need to go to the layers, select show layers, and I simply drag and drop this on this back part. This is the result. This is the result, and I'm going to put it on the thumbnail of this video. That is good. And I press on the share, download, and I press on the download. Okay, you need to set a file name and hit the enter button. Our thumbnail is saved. This is the final result, and I'm going to set it for our YouTube video background. I hope you like this video. See you on the next one.